rise up this morning, smiling with the rising sun. Three little birds perched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, melodies pure and true, singing, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. So open up your mind, see like me, open up your plans, and then you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, love.
Some of the kids stuff can start.
Listen to the movement of the people dancing, dance and sing. There's just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be love, 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 love. One love, one heart. Let's get together and I will feel alright. One love, one heart. Give thanks and praise to the Lord and I will feel alright. One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright.
Alright, have fun. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, he's found what he wants to do. He is, whoops,